Welcome to Hire IT People, Inc. Please visit us at hireitpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Hire IT People on your favorite social platforms. Today's job ID is 31090. The job location is in Phoenix, Arizona. The candidate should ideally have the following skills: experience in creating blueprints, publishing catalogs, creating and configuring VRA and VRO workflows, VRO integration with external systems and third-party tools through API CLI, should be an expert in automation orchestration, and development experience on vRealize automation. Ideally, the candidate should have experience of 5 years. No certifications are required. Face-to-face interview process is not required. For the detailed job description, please follow the link in the description of the video. Thank you for your time and have a good day. Hire IT People, Inc. Please visit us at hireitpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Hire IT People on your favorite social platform.